Today's video is super important because from 1st of November 2025, several rule changes has come into effect. Changes that directly impact your money, savings, banking and pension. So if you are a bank customer, credit card user or pensioner, this video is for you. We will break down 5 key important updates, explain what it means for you and talk about the pros and cons so you can make your plans and your finances smartly. Let's get started. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. First one is multiple nomination for bank accounts and lockers. Starting November 1st, 2025, a new rule under the Banking Laws Amendment Act 2025 allows you to nominate to up to 4 people for your bank accounts, fixed deposits and even lockers. You can either nominate all 4 simultaneously or set a succession order, which means if one nominee passes away, the next in the line automatically becomes the eligible one. For example, let's say you nominate your spouse, son, daughter and brother. So if your spouse passes away, your son automatically becomes the next nominee without any legal confusion. With this change, it will be easier and faster settlements after someone's death. It will reduce family disputes and lengthy legal processes also. It gives you flexibility to divide shares among the nominee, like 40% to your spouse, 30% to your daughter or 30% to your son. And disadvantages will be like if nominees are not updated regularly, it could cause confusion also. So you must remember to change nomination after major life events like marriage or death in the family. And if you need an explanatory video in this, you can find that in my channel also. The link I will provide in the description. The second change is for the SBI credit card fee revision. From November 1st, the SBI card has revised its fee structure. A 1% fee will apply on education-related payments made through the third-party apps like Cred, Check or MobiKwik. Another 1% fee on wallet loads above 1000 rupees. For example, if you add 5000 rupees to your Paytm wallet using your SBI credit card, you will be charged 50 rupees extra. However, if you pay your college or school fee directly through their official website or swipe the card on their campus, there will be no extra fee, clearly indicating that it is basically for encouraging the direct payment to the institutions, and it also adds transparency in how digital payments are processed. Also, you need to pay more for convenience if you use apps for bill payments or wallet top-ups. So frequent users of digital wallets may see higher monthly costs. I'll give you a tip in this. Always pay your school fee or your tuition payments fee with the direct bank or the institution portals to save that 1% fee. Okay friends, before moving on to the video, let me tell you about one more important thing which is very necessary for you and your family's financial future, and I'm talking about a very good insurance in which Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus can help you. They give a 1 crore life cover at just 578 rupees premium per month, 15% first year discount for salaried individuals and 15% first year plus 15% lifetime discount is for working women, is which they provide. They also have a 3-hour claim settlement guarantee with 99.7% claim settlement ratio. They also have a special exit value benefit. The link is in the description box. Do check this out because insurance is one of the most important part of anybody's financial future. Let's move on to the video. Next up is a good news for Punjab National Bank customers. The bank has reduced locker rent charges across all locker sizes and regions. This means whether you have a small locker for jewelry or a large one for important documents, your annual rent is going down. Customers can save money, especially those maintaining lockers in metro cities where rent are quite high. It also promotes safe storage and reduces the risk of keeping valuables at home. Now, it's for disadvantages. Rent reduction might be marginal for small towns and the availability of lockers could be limited due to high demand. So if you already have a locker in PNB Bank, check their website in November for the new rates. They will be effective 30 days after the official notice. Next is that all government pensioners, both central and state, must submit their life certificate or Jeevan Praman between November 1st and November 30, 2025. This is a yearly process to confirm that the pensioner is alive and eligible to continue receiving the payments. Those aged 80 years and above can submit it early, which has started from October 1st, 2025. So this ensures that genuine pension distribution should be there. It also prevents fraud and misuse of pension funds. Although senior citizens may find the physical process little tiring, but I would suggest that you can ask the other family members to do it on your behalf. And delays in submission could result in pension stoppage or the further delay. So always use the Jeevan Pramaan app or visit your nearest CSC center to submit it digitally. No need to stand in the long queues. And the last one is that the government has extended the deadline to switch from National Pension System, which is NPS, to New Unified Pension Scheme, which is UPS, till November 30, 2025. This is for existing central government employees, retired employees, and legally wedded spouses of deceased NPS holders. It gives employees extra time to evaluate which pension plan is better for them, and UPSC offers assured pension benefits unlike NPS, which depends on the market performance. But UPS may reduce the flexibility of investment options that NPS offers, and also the final decision once made may not be reversible. So for example, if you are nearing retirement, you might prefer UPS for stable income. But if you are younger and want higher returns through market-linked funds, NPS might still be better for you. So to recap everything, you can see a table on the screen that bank nominations are up to 4 nominees which are now allowed. SBI card fees is 1% charges on extra the transaction that you have selected. The PNB locker rent is reduced. The life certificate, you need to submit it from 1st of November to 30th of November to avoid the pension delays. And you can choose or you can switch from NPS to UPS, and the extended deadline is till November 30. So all these changes show that India's financial system is evolving, aiming for transparency, security and convenience. But as always, stay informed and manage your money wisely. So friends, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such updates. And I am Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.